Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can change language in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right top corner to the three dots and then just click settings. When you're going to be here, you want to click on advanced, and here you just want to click on downloads and language, click on language. And here you're going to see language, and you want to simply click here and just change this language to a different one, or like add language, and you can choose which language you actually want. It's like really up to you, and you have plenty of them here. So I can move it up to have it like in Slovak, move down, and yeah. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and this is how you do it. Display Google Chrome in this language, and you just display it in this.